at this paper, it's so pretty. Can you play with the ribbon for a while? More ripping. All right.
There you go.
Oh, these are so cool.
If you want to open the tape, the screwdriver's there.
The paper's pretty good too. Mama opens presents like the Hulk. Here's Dad doing it with precision. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Box to put things in and take things out of. It's your favorite thing. Thank you, Auntie Em and Uncle Jeff and Allegra and Rowan and Torin and Innes.